Hello my beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be preparing orange cake. This orange cake, you can take it with coffee, you can take it with tea, or any of beverage that is of your choice. Thank you for watching my channel. Thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel, and leave your comment please. Thank you. Preparing this my orange cake, these are the recipes that I need. Here I have half cup, that is 120 ml of oil, then 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, then a pinch of salt. This is my baking powder. I'm going to use a teaspoon of it. Then I'm using 4 medium eggs here, then 1 large orange. I'll start by scraping the back of the orange. This will give me the flavor. And just scraping the back of the orange, make sure the white part does not go along with it. Gently. After scraping it, this is how it looks like. If it is too big, you can use your knife to pieces it again. Then this is the orange. You cut it because you are going to use the juice of it equally. That's my vegetable oil. Pour it into it. Then all the liquid, my orange juice, pour into it. Then my sugar. One cup. A baking powder, half a teaspoon, then my salt, a pinch of it. Then I'll mix it very well. And I'll add my orange peel. And I'll start adding my flour bit by bit. And a little of my color, little of orange color to enhance my color. This my pan, I've already oiled it, that is, rub it with butter so that it will be easy to come out. Then you pour in, dust it with all-purpose flour. That is why you see the inside like this. This will help the cake to come out very well. Then I'll pour in my cream. I've already preheated my oven, so I will put it inside. Then I will bake it for 45 minutes. Now let's check it. Take a clean spoon or a knife, pierce it to check it comes out clean. Perfect. So the cake is ready. Wow, nice.